How to make omelette. How to make omelette. Cooking utensils. Pan, spatula, plate, bowl, spoon, cutting board, knife, whisk. Ingredients: 2 eggs, a clove onion, 2 cloves garlic, leek, red chili, sausage, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, mayonnaise, cooking oil. Next, the steps. First, beat eggs, salt, and black pepper in the bowl until blended. Second, slice the sausage into small pieces and put it into the bowl. Third, cut the leek and chili, then put it into the bowl. Stir all the ingredients until blended. Fourth, crush the garlic and the onion, then cut it into the small pieces. Fifth, add some cooking oil in the pan. Sixth, put the garlic and onion. When the garlic smells nice, pour the egg in it. Seventh, flip the omelette using the spatula. And the last, remove the pan from the heat and slide the omelette to the plate and spread mayonnaise on it. Delicious omelette ready to serve.